everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome! So I was watching John Boy crochet yesterday. Have you guys checked out his channel? He is a crocheter and he knows a thing or two about crochet. And he's so kind and polite and funny. He's funny. Alright, so check him out if you don't know him. So I was watching his channel yesterday and he shouted out a channel called J Hook Magic. And he was shouting out a tutorial that she has, and it's her very first tutorial. And so I'm like, he made the item, and I thought, you know, I want to make one of those. That's really cool. Okay, so I will link her channel. I believe her name is Jess. I'll link her below and also the tutorial. And it is a towel. It's a towel topper. Looky, looky. Yeah. It's very neat. And I made it in pink because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I have a pink button on there, two-tone pink. Yeah. So it's a fast tutorial. I mean, I only made the one yesterday, but I could have made probably 10. I probably could have made 10, like one after the other. Christmas gifts, maybe? But anyway, it was fast, and it's a really good tutorial. You can see what she's doing. She's very, very clear. It's beginner friendly. She explains every step. It was an awesome tutorial. So I'm going to put this on my stove and show you what it looks like in action. Here it is. Isn't that cute? So I have my towel hanging on it. Kind of wish I had a pink towel now, but it doesn't matter. So it's so cute, right? I love it. So you just undo your button. Hang it over. I don't think I could do this up with one hand, but yeah. Very cute, right? All right, so I suggest you go over there and make a whole bunch. Okay. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you Jess for this wonderful tutorial. Thank you so much. All right, we'll see you all. Bye.